Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is help your college in more recruitment. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that in certain colleges there is placement cell, and because of that placement cell, different organizations are invited to college campus, and then they hire different types of students related to different fields, and then this is the method how they get good jobs. Now, when a person is getting selected in a particular organization, it is his responsibility, it is his or her responsibility to bring more good organizations to his or her college. This is very crucial, ladies and gentlemen. Now, why this is very crucial? Because it is a mutual support. Suppose a person gets hired by a particular organization in a campus placement drive. Now when he gets job, he starts working in a particular organization, he starts understanding all the work patterns inside the organization, and gradually he comes to know that what are different trends going on in that particular organization and what are the different hiring trends going on in overall industrial setup. So the person who is already working in a particular industry, he is well aware of all these things. What industries actually desire, what type of employees industries are actually demanding, what is the real work pattern in actual industry, and what is our misconception related to that. What is the actual work pattern in any industry and what is our misconception related to that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, since a person who is working, who is studying in a particular institution, since he has not seen any industry till now, he has got large number of assumptions in his mind, and those assumptions may be true, may be false, and in most of the cases they are false assumptions. They are false assumptions because the person has actually not seen the corporate environment. But what about those people who are actually working in that corporate environment? They know much more about they know much more about corporate environment than those people who have not still seen the corporate environment. That's why they can make people more aware about what exactly is going on in a particular industry. They must try to build a good bond with their training and placement team, the pass out students of the college who are working in a particular industry. Now, they should take initiative themselves that yes, these are the different sets of activities that are going on in my industry, and the college from where I have completed my graduation, I am well aware of what type of courses are going on over there, and what is the actual atmosphere over there. So I can definitely talk to the training and placement team of my college. I can definitely make them understand that, sir, these are the current corporate trends in terms of job market. And let me make you more aware of that trend so that you can prepare your students accordingly. So that when young students they get graduated, they should not face any problem related to getting relevant jobs. So this is, I will say, this is a moral responsibility of pass out students also to bring more job opportunities to those students who are studying in that particular educational institution. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not responsible for every type of educational institution in the country, but at least we can show a certain level of responsibility towards that institution from where we have completed our graduation or post-graduation. We can definitely show a level of responsibility towards those institutions. I would like to say one more thing. There are different professional colleges in different parts of the country. If you compare the professional colleges which are situated in big cities like Delhi NCR, Bangalore and Hyderabad, to the professional colleges who are situated in remote villages of the country. In those parts of the country where there is zero industrial growth, as compared to those colleges, the students of the colleges that are in Delhi NCR, Bangalore and Hyderabad, they are much more aware. They are much more knowledgeable in terms of what type of job they should look for after completing their graduation and post-graduation. Why? Because they are directly living in industrial town and industrial city. And the colleges which are directly situated in industrial towns and cities, they also keep changing their syllabus according to current market trend, because they are the colleges who are highly aware of what is actually going on in industry. They are fully aware of changing industrial trends. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most crucial word: changing industrial trend. There are different types of professional colleges, but all the professional colleges are not aware of changing industrial trends. But the colleges that are situated in industrial towns, they are 100% aware of changing industrial trends, and depending on those changing industrial trends, they are changing their syllabus also, so that all the students of their institution, they get good jobs properly. This is the difference, ladies and gentlemen. This is the difference. We need to bridge the gap between corporate and education department, higher education department, colleges, universities. And how we can bridge that gap? By becoming more aware about corporate trends. And this initiative can be taken by the pass out students of colleges. Now, in my personal opinion, I must say that if it is possible for pass out students of the institution who are working in different reputed industries, they must take one very crucial step. They should always be in constant touch with their college, and time and again they must visit their college. They must convince their principals and vice principals and whoever is the owner of the college that they want to give guest lectures and guest seminar in their college related to what latest is going on in industry. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is the extreme level of dedication that I am talking about, but we need to show this dedication. I must say that pass out students of a particular institution, if possible, if it is possible for them, I'm not saying that it is highly necessary. If it is possible for them, why I'm saying that it is possible? Because there is 24/7 work environment everywhere. People don't find time for their own families. Once they become the part of corporate sector, the work life is so tough. There are so tight schedules. But still, if you find this opportunity of making the students of your college more aware about industrial trend, please follow this step. Please talk to the owners of the educational institution from where you have completed your graduation and post-graduation, and convince them that you want to give a seminar to the students of final year of your college to make them more aware of what latest is going on in industry and how they should prepare themselves according to that, so that they can ensure 100% placement for themselves. Now, this is also a very crucial initiative, but one more thing is true, that you must have time for this type of initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, the college from which you completed your graduation or post-graduation, it is all because of that college that you are doing job somewhere. It is all because of that college that people know you, that you are a graduate of this particular institution. Only after graduating from that particular college, you are able to show your credentials to the corporate sector, because of which they hired you. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, it is your moral obligation, it is your moral responsibility towards other students of your college, that if you are working in a great institution, if you are working in a great organization, if you are working in a highly honorable organization, it is your moral responsibility to bring other students of your college to the same organization. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a kind of business deal. This is not a kind of business deal, long-term business deal. No, I am strictly talking about moral obligation. Moral obligation, considering the fact that there is still a huge amount of unemployment in the country. And if we start doing such kind of thing, if pass out students of the institution, they start doing such kind of thing, I'm not saying that unemployment is going to end forever, but at least we can contribute something in the direction of removing unemployment from the country. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, that stands for Engineer Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time you can get the instant notification of all my latest videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.